In this short tutorial, I am going to show you how to download and sign in to the booking.com application. It's super quick and easy. So let's get started. First of all, open the Play Store on your device. Then search for booking.com and tap install. Once the app is installed, tap open. Now tap the sign in button at the bottom right corner. Then tap sign in or register. Now you will see three options to sign in: Google, Facebook or email. For this example, choose email. Now enter your email address, then tap continue. Now booking.com will send a verification code to your email. Then enter the code and tap verify email. And that's it. You have successfully signed in to the booking.com app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.